This noise frightens you. A piece of work equipment that can also be used for something more inappropriate. But only a madman would think of such an absurdity. Well, my mind is pure insanity. With your body I will make art, and your blood will serve as gasoline for my chainsaw. Do you see the blade spinning, approaching your skin? Because I'm the leather-faced type, I start my chainsaw ready for the massacre. As if I were Nick and she's my Lucille. You entered my territory, you won't be able to leave anymore. Welcome my new toy. Welcome, 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 welcome. Because I'm the leather-faced type, I start my chainsaw ready for the massacre. As if I were Nick and she's my Lucille. You entered my territory, you won't be able to leave anymore. Welcome my new toy. The sound she makes is majestic, cutting through your body. No comment needed, I carry her everywhere. Because she's my shield, my best friend, the only one I truly trust. It was like love at first sight, a lunatic complimenting himself with an object of absolute lethality. A perfect union, an invincible duo. Because I'm the leather-faced type, I start my chainsaw ready for the massacre. As if I were Nick and she's my Lucille. You entered my territory, you won't be able to leave anymore. Welcome my new toy. Welcome, 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 welcome. Because I'm the leather-faced type, I start my chainsaw